Hello everybody to my video blog about the Basher Rocksta. It is a Hobbyking product. I'm not paid by Hobbyking, but they definitely should pay me because I really like whatever they have. They have cool stuff, they have cheap stuff, and there's lots of stuff you can do on your own on those things. This Basher Rocksta is the kit version. It comes without the servos, so there's no servos here. Then the servo arms are within the package, but they are not yet mounted. Plus there is not already mounted a motor, two motors on the back and the front. There are no gears inside, and there is no receiver and ESC built in. This is what we want to do in this blog. I want to put in the receiver. I want to put it into the connected to the Rocksta remote. I have here the metal gears. I have here the special torque motors from Basher. I have the pinions for that. I do have metal gear servos. I do have the nanotech with 450 milliamp hours. The cool thing about the Lipo is that it perfectly fits in the compartment and it gives plenty of power for quite some driving time. The cool thing also about the Lipo is it is so cheap. It costs $6 or something, and it's only a little hard to get. It is the E-Flight compatible version with 450 milliamp hours. So get these, they will perfectly fit in. The only thing is they do not perfectly fit to the plug, but for that we will also mount the correct plug to fit it. Well, we will also put on some new tires. The original tires really suck. They do not have real good grip here, but I have those RC4WD wheels, Scrambler wheels. They are very, very fine and grippy, and they will also fit on the original rims, but I will not take those because I have better ones. These are crawler rims I found on the internet. I got the HBX Devastator tires, and the rims fit perfectly on the Rocksta, and the tires, the Scrambler, fit perfectly on the rims. So this gives a perfect combination. The only thing you have to do is we will also add some weight into the tires. Well, what else is to say? So the next problem is the battery with the receiver. There is no real detection when the battery is empty. So it will definitely kill your battery. It will go down below 3 something volts. So this is really a bad thing. So I will also show you how to add this tiny little voltage indicator. And the cool thing is it perfectly fits here into the Basher, and we will see how this is perfectly connected to the receiver, so it will not drain your battery unless you really switch on the little switch on the receiver. So everything will be neat and nice. Okay, so this is the first list of things I want to do here. So let's start.